the other day, but we're filming these videos really late, and sorry. I don't know what to say.
Opening it looks like that. I'm choking on pumpkin seeds I was just eating, apparently. I was like,
Well, you should show that.
This is the one I don't get anymore. I'm actually like, I have a big beef with Allure because they had said at one point they were gonna like give me a discounted rate for the next few months just to try out the more like special box or whatever. But then they didn't get me a box, and then they said there was a problem with my payment method, so I switched it to make sure it was good, and then they still didn't get me a box, and I was like, you know, and then they're sending me emails just saying like, oh, you know, your box, this might be changed with your rate and stuff. And I'm like, no, I've already canceled it. Like by now, like it's, yeah.
So the first thing I have is Sigma liquid lipstick and Venom, which I might give this a try because it looks interesting.
It's usually $20 for the full size. Oh, and you might hear Kim's dog in the background. She's upset.
One of them, yeah.
Yeah, she's upset. She's in timeout. Then we're going to do yoga, and we put the dogs up when we do yoga.
And then La Roche-Posay, extra dry skin, body and face, Lipicar Balm, AP Plus Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. Lots of words on that.
It's usually $19.99 for 400 milliliters.
That's my Duchess that's crying. Huh. This is the new company, right? New company?
Yeah,
Topical
I think so.
C.
If I can find it on here.
So, is it a leave-in moisturizer serum or water?
It's normally $70 for the regular
That's interesting.
price.
Because it says you blend it into your serum or blend it into your moisturizer. So I thought it would have been automatically like a serum, but it must be, I wonder if it's like a powder. I'm like, should I open it? Or is it like a liquid? Is that a powder?
Oh, it looks weird.
Oh no, it is powder. 2 to 3 shakes of powder into your moisturizer. Huh, so that's what it looks like when you open it. That was the outside box again. So you just add that into, interesting, okay.
Oh, it adds vitamin C just by mixing it in. That's
Yeah.
cool.
And then Static Nails and Irene.
Liquid glass. This is normally $16
So
for a
tiny
full
on
size.
that.
It looks very pink on here for some reason, like compared to
What actually
you guys can
has,
see. It
like,
looks a little
mauve-ish
yeah.
color. And then, Verso Super Eye Serum.
With retinol, and it's $65 normally for a full size.
I've tried their serum and their moisturizer, I think. I don't know if that's exactly what they were called, but I like their products so far. Dr. Jart Plus, how do you say that? Ceramidin cream. I should know how to say that by now, but
I know, I was like, I have no idea.
But that's a big size too. So at least these are nice sizes. I mean, like deluxe sizes at least. I
So
would
I'm
say.
guessing that one only hydrates but keeps your face hydrated. It's $48 for the regular
And
size.
then Pure Mix Native Fig Replenishing Shampoo and Replenishing Conditioner. It says Rusk, so I'm not sure.
Is that like an extra thing? That was like an extra thing, right? I don't see that in here.
Well, I don't know.
I mean, it's on the back like a little 20% off, but I mean, it's not inside.
And then the last thing, which I think is inside,
Yeah.
is Wilma Schumann. Am I saying that right? European Skincare Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. You'd think I could speak, but
It's normally $18 for 5 applications. So I kind of like what you got. You got a variety, but again, I'm not at Allure, so so I'm no longer getting them. And instead, we're gonna be doing a video with my Birchbox and Ipsy. So one of these will be in one of the orders, but if this video is fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up. There's still like maybe 1 day left for our giveaway, so if you haven't done it already, go down to the link below and then do everything we ask in that video for a chance to win the stuff in that video. And we'll catch you in our next one.
okay, take care.
Bye.